By now, you've heard about Project SEC2, and you're probably wondering how it's going to affect you as a state employee. The Mississippi State Personnel Board promised this would be a better system. But what does that mean for employees? Before we talk about what's going to be implemented on January 1st, 2022, let's look at where we've been. The state of Mississippi had not updated its current classification and compensation system since 1981. So it was time to update and modernize the system. One of the first steps of the project was to clarify the roles state employees play in state government and how they contribute to their agency's mission. MSPB met with nearly 300 state employees in different industries across the state. These employees helped MSPB create and confirm new role summaries, or job descriptions. Later, this would help MSPB classify employees accurately. This spring, your HR department distributed a Position Description Questionnaire, or PDQ, to each employee. And when you completed the PDQ, you explained to MSPB what you do in your current job. This was a critical step. In order to ensure you are paid fairly and equitably, MSPB had to ensure you are in an accurate job classification. As you may remember, classification refers to a system that defines the duties, responsibilities, and authority level of a position. Positions with similar duties and responsibilities are grouped into what we call a job classification. For example, an employee who maintains financial records, reviews fiscal transactions, and reconciles accounting reports may be assigned to an accountant job classification. MSPB evaluated your response with your supervisor's approval and placed you in your new job classification. Your HR department also reviewed your new classification. Meanwhile, MSPB gathered data from other states and Mississippi's private sector. Comparing salaries to the relevant labor market helps ensure that state employee salary ranges are competitive, consistent, and equitable. One of the goals of this project was to ensure that Mississippi state employees are paid fairly and equitably. So your job classification was assigned a pay grade based on the relevant labor market. You can learn more about Project SEC2 on the Mississippi State Personnel Board website at mspb.ms.gov.